Hello, my name is Peter Sharp. I'm the project leader with Randall Walk Construction, who are the principal contractors for delivering the adult mental health unit. I feel proud of the project that has been truly delivered within the aspirations of the Design for Life framework, where we've had the opportunity to work closely from inception with the end users, ensuring that we have a completed project with no reworking at the end of it. A lasting memory of the project is that we've actually delivered with 2 awards, being silver for the considered contractors, and we're also using this project as an exemplar with Construction Excellence Wales. My favourite part of the project is how we've managed to get off-site manufacturing, modellisation of not only the structure but also the services integrated into what is a robust actual end user building. What I'll take away from this working environment is the close collaboration working that we've had from inception through to completion, not only with the project team but also with the end users. Simone and Mike Wheeler being crucial parts to those. It's been a great pleasure walking around with the end users and actually seeing the delight and excitement on their face when they actually see the facility for the first time.